is a great herb to grow. Its medicinal benefits include helping with hair loss, anxiety, and fungal infections, among many others. I personally enjoy infusing this and making an herbal tea, and then turning around and using that in homemade laundry detergent that I make. This perennial is a great all-around herb, and it's easy to grow. I simply cut a few stems and tie in a bunch, then hang it upside down in an airy space. I like hanging them in a room where I have indoor clotheslines. I use the clotheslines in the winter months to dry laundry and in the summer months to dry herbs. It works out great.